A business case is a project management document that explains how the benefits of a project outweigh its costs and why it should be executed. From Ezoho, you can download free business case template in different MS format. A business case is an important project document to prove to your client, customer, or stakeholder that the project you're pitching is a sound investment. Below, we illustrate the steps to writing one that will sway them. The need for a business case is that it collects the financial appraisal, proposal, strategy, and marketing plan in one document and offers a full look at how the project will benefit the organization. Whether you're starting a new project or midway through one, take time to write up a business case to justify the project expenditure by identifying the business benefits your project will deliver and that your stakeholders are most interested in. A business case helps stakeholders understand what you want to do, how your plan will benefit the organization, and if that plan is possible. A business case template provides a structure for researching and presenting a clear and comprehensive doc. If you have a straightforward but costly proposal, use this short business case template to make a concise list of what you want to do, why you want to do it, how you want to do it, who benefits from the project. Our business case template for Word is the perfect tool to start writing a business case. It has 9 key business case areas you can customize as needed. Download the template for free and follow the steps below to create a great business case. So these are the components of your business case. This is why it's so important. And if you need a tool that can help you manage and track this process, then sign up for our software now at Ezoho Tools.